tell me Heron's formula. Shriyanvi, you tell me Heron's formula. She left already. Shriyanvi, tell me. Heron's formula. Did you remember?
No, sir.
S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You're not having notebook in front of you. See Heron's formula for to find area of any triangle. Area
Root
of
S into root S of
S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, right? And this should be root. Where S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. A, B, C are the sides of triangle. Understood, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
See, an umbrella is made up of stitching 10 triangular pieces. This is one triangular piece, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly, you can see backside also it's 5. Okay, so there are 10 rectangular pieces are there in this umbrella of two different cloth. One is you can see white color, one you can see blue color. Okay, so this umbrella is made up of two different colors. 5 colors is of blue and 5 colors is of white. Each piece measuring, they have given the one measurement of the pieces here, 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Means this is 50. These all are 50 centimeter, children. These all are 50 centimeter. So if you find the area of triangle, you can find this area of triangle here. So area of one triangle, area of each triangle you can write, multiply by 5 is equals to whatever you get. This is the area of what? Area of each
umbrella.
Not each color of cloth. Each color cloth. Understood? They're asking what? How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? If you multiply area into each triangle, you find area of each triangle multiply by 5 is equals to dash. You can find area of each triangle. That is very easy. First, we need to find the perimeter for this. Anyways, we know here, we know the sides of the triangle A, B, C, we know, right? So A, B, C. So listen, children, what we need to do here is, if you're knowing well and good, if you're not knowing, look into it. ABC, A is equal to, you can put any side, you can let it up, no problem. The first side is 50 centimeter. Second side is also 50 centimeter. And third side is 20 centimeter. S is the semi-perimeter. It means that S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is 50 plus 50 plus 20 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2, that is 60 centimeter. Children, this is clear to everyone? What I did right now?
Clear, sir.
Then you can write area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and take the root of it. So what do you get here? S is your 60, 60 minus 50, again 60 minus 50, again 60 minus 20 is equals to 60 into 10 into 10 into 40. So what we get here again, 10 become common only, right? If anything is coming in common, then what we can write? We can write 1 once. So 60, what we can write for 60? 2 into 2.
30 into 2, sir, and we can write it as 15 into...
Yeah, again we can write. So I'm just writing 2 into 2. 4 and 3 into 5. We'll get 60 here, right? 10 and 10 you write as it is. For 40, you can write 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. Okay. If you are not getting children directly, you can look into it like this. You can do, okay. I just did bifurcation of 40, okay? Is it clear? So we'll try to make pair over here. So pair is how to make pair. First pair, second pair, third pair. This is the fourth pair. Next one is, that's it, right children? So we can write here 2 into 5 into 10, again into 2. And root over single is 3 and 2 is single over here, 6. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 10. Sorry, 4 5s are 20. 200 root 6. All of you are getting 200 root 6 centimeters square or not? Children, all of you are getting 200 root 6 centimeters square. This is for
Yes, sir.
one triangle. So one color of triangle, each color how much we'll get? Each color area is equals to what we can write? 5 into 200 root 6. So we get here 1000 root 6 centimeters square. Each type of cloth is 1000 root 6 centimeters square. So anyone who are having doubt here, please ask at any steps. No doubt, children, no doubts.
No, sir.
All right. Striker, you got the same answer.
Yeah, sir.
So here answer into 5, after answer we can write here 1000 root 6 centimeters square. That's it. Then we are just moving to the next question. That is question number 7. A kite in the shape of square with the diagonal 32 centimeter. Diagonal is 32 centimeter, it means this is 16 and this is also 16. This is a square. A square is what? What is square, children? All sides are equal, right? All sides are equal. Then a triangle and an isosceles triangle of the base 8 centimeter and side is 6. This one is 8 centimeter and side this is 6 and 6 centimeter. Each to be made of 3 different shades as shown in figure 12.17. This is your first shade, this is your second shade, and this is your third shade. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? How much paper of each shade? Means you should find the area of first, second, and third shade. Okay. You have to find the area of first, second, and third shade, children. Okay. Is it clear what to find? So first of all of you tell me, if you know the diagonal of the square, then you can find the side of it. Any one of you tell me? See, this is 16, this is 16, and this upper part of diagonal is 16, this is also 16. So if I take this only this triangle, what we get? Area of triangle, I will name it here. A, B, C, this corner, and this is D. And right here O. Area of, I'm writing ABD. That is area of triangle ABD is like what shade 1. That is 2 into half base into height. So half of will get cancelled. So base is what? 32. Sorry. Base is what? What is base here?
16. 16, sir.
16 into height.
8, sir.
Or directly don't, if you don't want to write it, leave this part only if you want. Base into height.
Yes, and after that we can do into 4.
Yeah,
sir.
16
Area.
into 16. You will get directly 256. Understood, children? You will get under 256 centimeters square for the first shade. For second shade, same answer. Shade 1 and shade 2 also same answer you get. Exactly same, okay? But what is the area of shade third? Area of set third, what we get? See, this is a triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. 6, 6, and 8, right? So here you can use 6, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, correct? You can find this. All of Shreyanvi and Sai Charan, find and tell me. So for this third part, we got a semi-perimeter as 10. And A, B, C, we know that is 6, 6, 8. We are getting the answer as 8 root 5. Now question number 8th one. Eighth one, do fast. Eighth one question, both of you. See, I
So
just
we need to do, sir.
I'll explain the question once, okay? A floral, this is a design of the floral. Floral design of the on the floor made up of 16 tiles are there. See, this is 2 tiles, 1, 2. There are total 16 tiles will be there. Triangular 16 tiles are there. The sides of triangle used are 9, 28, and 35 centimeter. The sides of the triangle are 9, 28, and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. First, you should find the area of each tile, okay? Area of each tile, then multiply by what? 16. Then you have to multiply by 50 paisa. You'll get in paisa only. To convert into rupees, you should divide by 100, okay? So first of all, you find the area and tell me. First, you find the area, all of you.
Doing, sir. Still I
Okay,
am.
area. First area, see, first of S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So you can write here A is equals to 9 centimeter, B is equals to 28 centimeter, C is equals to 35 centimeter. So if you find S, that is 9 plus 28 plus 35 divided by 2. So 8, 9, 8, 17, 17 and 5, 23, 2, 3 to 5 to 7. Is it coming 73 by 2? Huh? Semi-perimeter is what? 73 by 2 or something else? This is
I got
72.
72 by 2,
72,
sir.
yes. 72 by 2, that is 36 centimeter, right? Okay. Then you put the value here. Area of, or directly, you know, they're asking cost of polishing means what you do, no? Okay, you're finding the area first, right? You can write here S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Area of each triangle. Area of each triangle. So you get here 72. 72 minus 9. 72 minus 28 and 72 minus 35. Then you can write here.
Sir, I didn't, sir, 36, I didn't
yeah.
do 72.
Yeah, 36. It's 36. I'm writing here 72. 36. 36 minus 9. 36 minus 28. 36 minus 35. 36 multiply by 36 minus 9, 27. Then 8, again 1, right? 36 is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. See, one combination is here, one combination is here, one combination is here, one combination is here. 3 to the 6, 6 3 the 18, 18 to the 32, 18 to the 36, root 6. You are getting for each tile this much only, Shranvi. Shranvi.
Sir, I got 36, sir.
36 root 6 you are not getting.
1 second, sir. I'll just check again.
Sir, we need to multiply into 16.
Again, you should multiply. This is area of each triangle. Then area of
Yes,
area of 16 tiles is equals to. Check Sriyanvi, where you're just missing it out. Check it.
Sir, I'm getting root 36.
Root 36.
1 minute, sir. 18. I'm checking again.
Yes, check.
576, sir.
Don't multiply only this one.
576.
What you do now, simply multiply by, if you want price, no, cost of polishing tiles. So you can write here 576 root 6 multiply by 50 by 100. 50 by 100.
Means
Because rupees you can convert, okay? So you can get here 57.6 root 6. 57.6 root 6 into 5, no, into 5. Then 5 6 5s are 30, 3, 7 5s are 35, 38, 3, 28. Correct. So we'll get 288 rupees. 288 root 6. 288 root 6 rupees you are getting. Sriyanvi, you understood where you're doing mistake?
Yes, sir. It's actually from the root. I actually missed one of the threes. So I got 4 threes and 4 twos. That's why I got 36.
Okay, fine. Well, how I am doing, I'm not solving, just suppose 36 is there, no? How I am doing is 9 fours are 36, that I know. So 9 I can write in 3 into 3, 4 means 2 into 2, that is 36. 27 means 9 3s are 27. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3s are 27. In that way I am doing here. And after that I'm making pair. If I start doing like this 36, then it will take long time, simple. Okay, children? All of you finish this? Akshit, you did finish this one? A field in shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10. So field is in a form of trapezium. So trapezium shape you know already, trapezium shape. So trapezium shapes will be like this. Two parallel sides means here parallel sides are this and this. AB and CD are the parallel sides. So here again parallel sides are 25 and 10. So bigger one is 25 and this is what 10. Okay. Non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 centimeters. These all are non-parallel sides. AD and BC. These all are non-parallel sides and their values are 14 and 13. This is 14 and this is 13. So find the area of the field. You have to find the area. What is the area of trapezium, children? Tell me. What is the area of trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides into distance between them, that is height of this. Okay. So half into sum of parallel sides, that is 10 into 25. We can write here half into sum of parallel sides, that is 10 into 25. Multiply by height. If you find,
could you scroll down a little bit?
What happened?
Sir, could you scroll down a little bit?
Yeah, down means 1 minute. Like this you are saying?
Yes. Yeah, sir. I couldn't see the multiplication.
Achha. So half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. If you know the height of this, then we can find easily the area of trapezium. How to find height of this triangle? Sorry, not triangle, this height, you can say triangle also, no problem. E. How to find this triangle, this height? Anyone can think and tell me now. See, what we can do here is first you remove this 25 from here, okay? So what we can do here is, you can just, this is 13, right? So you make one parallel line which is 13. Can we do like this? If this is 13, this
Yes,
is
sir.
also 13.
Yeah.
So if you see A, B, C, you can write here E and F. If you see this one is parallelogram, this and this is parallel. Now this and this also become parallel, right? This become parallelogram. It
Yeah.
means if this is 10, this is also 10.
Yes, sir.
If this stays 10, so what is the distance from D to F? 25 minus 10. That is what? 15 meters. Is it clear to
Sir, but
everyone?
A to B and E to C are not equal, right?
No, A to B and which A to C?
A to B and E to C, sir.
No, it's not equal. I'm taking E to F. Sorry, F to C is
Okay.
equal. No, because
Yes,
I
sir.
made parallel. So F to C is 10, not E to C.
Okay, sir.
So I'm just making here EF to C. From F to C, this one and this one is equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is step 15.
Yeah, got it.
So first of all, what you do, children, you are getting 14, 13 and 15, right? You can find the area of this triangle first. So area of triangle ADF. I'm writing here area of triangle ADF is equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we can write here S is equals to 14 plus 13 plus 15 divided by 2. What do you get here? 5, 3, 8, 8, 4, 12. Carry 1, 2, 3, 4. 21 meters you are getting. And A is equals to 13, B is equals to 14, C is equals to 15. So you can put the values over here. You'll get 21. This is a very important question, children. This so many times they will ask in the board exams. 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. So we can write again 21 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay. 21 can be written as 7 into 2. Sorry, 7 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 3. So let's scroll up, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you see here, I'm just coloring across. 7 and 7 is 1. Then I'm writing here this 2 and 2 is 1 plus. Then again I can write some different figure here, 3 and 3. And then I can write here 2 and 2. So what is the area
70.
of
74, sir.
7 into 3 into 2 into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
74 you're getting or 84? 84, right?
80.
84, no?
Yeah, sir.
So this area of triangle ADF is 84. Children, if you find this by other method, if you use half base into height is equals to 84, you can write or not by other method. If you, why we are using this method? To find the height. You are getting, children, what I'm saying?
Yeah, sir.
Why we are using this formula? To get the height of the triangle. If we get the height of the triangle, we can find easily. The height of the triangle is nothing but height of the trapezium. Okay. So half into base is 15 into height is equals to 84. So we can write here h is equals to 84 into 2 divided by 15. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 18. 3 2 are 6. 3 8s are 24. Now 56 by 5.